Hi, I'm Sereineath. I'm from Batch 8 graduated from KT. Currently, I'm working as a software engineer in one of the tech companies in Japan. The reason I get a chance to Japan because my university, they have potential partner from globally and a company in Cambodia, especially in Japan. Or to be honest, when I first coming here, I feel a bit overwhelmed because of the language and the culture differences. And especially the lifestyle completely different. But when I have been living this country for around 1 month, I get used to it. And in my company, I really love the environment, the college and the manager, they're really supportive. And they also get opportunity for me to learn many things if I want. In my university, they prepare for a unique curriculum that they provide the internship program that they touch me about the soft skill and the hard skill. So this is the reason that all two combine together to make me get opportunity to work in a global company in Japan. I don't have much tip actually, but there are one thing that I have learned so far from my past experience, and I wish that I could apply it sooner, is that whenever you're doing one task or any decision, try everything on the best shot, put a lot of effort to do on that task, because whenever the result is, you won't feel regretted later. If the result is success, if the result is failure, just keep it as an experience and then try to move on and apply for the new approach for the task or the decision. But if that success, just cheer for the victory. But don't forget to learning new things as well. Learning new things is not about learning in school, but learning about people around you, like family, friend, and colleague, even a stranger. Like their quote always said that a wise man can learn from a stupid question, but a stupid man cannot learn from the wise answer. So that's it. I hope that the tip can help you to achieve what you want in the future.